Do you enjoy eating delicious food? Do you prefer to eat in or eat out? Well, stay tuned to learn phrasal verbs we can use in a restaurant. Learn more about conversation, phrasal verbs, and other ways to feel more at ease when speaking English. Please subscribe, hit the bell to be notified when new videos are released every Thursday. I'm Kristin Grady, and it's my goal to help as many students as possible learn the English language in a relaxed and comfortable way. I've been doing this for more than 20 years, a long time, and I have lots of experience eating in restaurants around the world. So let's get started reviewing phrasal verbs that you can use in a restaurant. First off, let's review what a phrasal verb actually is. A phrasal verb is a group of words that functions as a verb and is made up of a verb and a preposition, an adverb, or sometimes both. So the meaning of the phrasal verb can be very different from the two combined parts of the individual words. Let's see how these work in action. My first question in the video was to ask if you like to eat in or eat out. You might ask, eat in what? As if you were inside of something. But to eat in is to stay at home and to prepare your food and your own meal at home in your house. To eat out is to eat outside. That can be true, but to eat out is to go to a restaurant and eat the food there, which has been cooked and served to you by other people. And you may sit in the restaurant or possibly sit outside enjoying your meal. So please, sit down to put yourself in a seated position and enjoy your visit to the restaurant as a paying guest, a regular, a customer, or a patron of that specific restaurant. Tell me this, do you prefer eating in or eating out? Where is your favorite restaurant? Put your answer in the comments, and I will love to learn about your favorite restaurants, no matter where they are in the world. Now back to our restaurant meal. If you are not very hungry and eat only a small amount of food very slowly, it might be said that you are picking at your food. Is there something wrong with your food? You're just picking at it. Parents often tell their children to eat up, which means to finish their meal or actually start eating it, especially if they have been picking at it. We can't sit here all night, eat up. If somebody eats a large amount of food very quickly, we often say they are pigging out, reminding us of pigs on a farm. This can be used in both a lighthearted way, I was so hungry, I pigged out as soon as the food arrived, or as a bit of an insult. Did you see them pig out on those cakes and pastries? Ugh. If you don't want to add a few extra pounds to your waistline, then you can cut down on a specific food. This means to reduce the amount that you eat. I'm trying to cut down on sugar, so no dessert for me tonight. I love dessert. Now, let's move to the other side of the restaurant and learn some phrasal verbs that the restaurant staff might use when preparing or serving your food. Has anyone here ever worked in a restaurant? Let us know. Please put it in the comments, and you might have performed one of these actions. So when your food is being prepared, the chef or cook may peel off, chop up, or slice up your food. To peel off is to remove the outside layer of a fruit or vegetable, such as a potato or an orange. We use a sharp knife to chop up and slice up food. To chop up is to cut the food into small sized pieces using the knife, and to slice up is to cut pieces of something with the knife, such as thin slices of meat. When your meal is prepared and ready to be brought to your table, the kitchen staff may plate up your food, meaning to put the individual parts of your meal onto a plate and to make it look nice and attractive. When you're ready to leave the restaurant, you might want to pack up or box up any leftovers to bring home and warm up later. Excuse me, I can't finish my meal. Can you please pack it up for me? This will be delicious, warmed up tomorrow for a light lunch. Please take note that phrasal verbs can change tenses depending on how they are used. We can say, I want to warm up this food. I warmed it up already. Are you warming this up now? It can definitely change tenses. So, I hope you enjoyed our visit to the restaurant. The next time you visit, you can try using one of these phrasal verbs to sound more like a native speaker. Thanks for watching. Make sure to let me know in the comments if any of these phrasal verbs are new to you. Please make a sentence using one of them and put it in the comments. I'd love to see it. If you'd like to learn more about speaking English in a conversational way, then please join my Facebook group where I share free English tips and lessons every week. It's in the description. So, your homework is to use these phrasal verbs in your conversation to sound more like a native speaker. Many English speakers don't realize how many phrasal verbs we use every day, but they are a common part of the language. I hope this video helped you understand a few of them. Thanks for being here. Have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you again soon. If you enjoyed learning with me, please subscribe and give the video a thumbs up. I appreciate it. See you next week.